Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, it is trading at a level of $79.97. Okay, and if you go after 2023, what we have seen that it is moving in a zone. Okay, and only where the doji candle is forming, we have seen it has moved above this particular level and touched the level of 85. After that there is a continuous downfall. Why there is a downfall? Because it was moving in a zone of 83.5. that means it has not crossed this level. As soon as it crosses this level, what we have seen, profit booking started coming. Okay, so this was the high which it went maximum, and after that there is a fall. Okay, because the profit booking has come at this level. After that there is a continuous fall. First thing is that. Second thing is that, as you can see, a U pattern is forming. Okay, U pattern is forming, you can see clearly here. After that there is a fall. So if it prices sustain again above a level of $81, a further upside we can see, because then there is a pattern will form. Second thing. Okay, and this is the pattern forming after pandemic. Okay, and this is being repeated for quite some time, and I keep repeating in my every video, because if somebody who's new to my video, they should understand how the price of crude is moving. Okay, what it was saying, that whenever it is going and making a new high, we have seen a high is coming and where the profit booking is coming, and then a downfall. Okay, and it is being repeated for quite some time. Okay, now for the sixth time it tried, but it didn't, because war situation has come and Fed was increasing the rate continuously and dollar getting strengthened. The situation, when the dollar get strengthened, what will happen? The countries who are importing the crude, okay, they have to pay more for the same amount of quantity. Okay, when a country import, or then they have to pay much. That means if a dollar moves even $0.1, then because they buy in billions or trillions liters, okay, so what they do is they have to increase their capital, okay, for the same amount of crude they have to import. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of crude can go in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. See, a opposite U pattern is forming here. Okay, and chances will be very high that if the price fall below 77, a further fall we can see. Keep this in mind. The second thing is that if the price started sustaining above a level of around $81.5, okay, then a further upside we can see, and this is the pattern, and probability is very high it can cross a level of around $85.25, and a probability of touching 85.5 is there. As soon as it started sustaining above 85.5, a further high we can see. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this level, chances are very high it will go towards a level of around $81. That is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it will cross that particular level and can go towards a level of 83. Okay, 83 is a weak resistance, so chances are high it will go further high, and probability of going towards 84.68 is there. Okay, and this is the half this zone. Okay, so once started sustaining above this 84.68, the probability of touching a level of around $85.5 is there. $85.5 is the half this zone. Okay, as soon as it started sustaining above this level, chances are very high it will go towards a level of around $86.97. Okay, and if the price move above this particular level, chances of crossing that level we can see, and if we can see it will touch a level of around $90.21. Okay, this 90.21, once it sustain above this level, then probability of going towards $93.58 is there. Okay, and because this is the half this zone, okay, and that is already being tested, so chances are high, and this level we have not seen since 1 year of 2022. Chances will be high that once started sustaining above 93, probability of crossing a level of 94.5 is there, and from there we can see it will touch a level of 98. Okay, as soon as market is always uncertain. Okay, so you have to understand something, that if it has to see, if you look at this trend, we have seen it was moving in this zone, but an upside or downside both you can see. Okay, similarly what you can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, chances are very high it will go towards $78.70. Okay, and if the price fall below this level, then we can see it will touch a level of around 77.40. Okay, So this is the low of this zone. So once it started moving below this level, we can see it will touch a level of $75.40, because $77 is a strong support. Keep this in mind that once the price started moving below 77, chances are very high it will go towards $75.40, and then from there to a level of 74.30. If the price fall below this level, we will see a level of $72.65, and from there a probability of going towards a level of around 68. After 69 we can see a level of 68. Okay, so keep it in mind that once started falling below 72.65, we can see a level of $69, and from there we can see a level of 68. Okay, so once the price fall below 68, then probability of going towards 66.18 is there, and from there a further fall we can see. Okay, keep that in mind that 68 is again a strong support. So if it started falling below that level, a further fall we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.